All right, let's do one more thing here. Let's add a title to our table of contents. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little shortcut here. We're going to go to one of our heading ones, and we're going to grab that. So we're doing the Control-Alt-Click, and it selects the paragraph. So I'm just going to right-click, and I'm going to do copy. So I'm actually going to copy this paragraph. I'm going to go back to the table of contents. I'm going to click in the first paragraph. I'm going to hit the home key to get the cursor at the beginning, and I'm going to press Control V to paste. And I'm going to change this to table of contents. Okay, so let's save the changes, and maybe we'll add a little space after that. So let's make that. Let's add some space. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And actually, let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's go with, we'll make it 24 point. Okay, so that stands out a little bit better. And let's just adjust this here. Okay. Now let's just update our table of contents. Okay, now one thing you're going to notice here is because we're including heading 1 paragraphs, remember, let's right click on this, set up table of contents. We're including heading 1 paragraphs. And what we did is when we copied this over to the table of contents, this is a heading 1 paragraph. And so now this is actually included in the table of contents, which is a little bit odd. Most of the time, you don't necessarily want to do that. So the way to get around that is to actually make this a different paragraph format altogether. So let me just show you what I would do here. I would call this heading 1 front. And I'm just going to rename it. So now I've got a totally separate paragraph format for these. I'm calling them heading 1 front. You can call it whatever you want. So now watch what happens when I update this. So that goes away. We don't get that table of contents entry in the table of contents, which is kind of redundant. That goes away, and you may want to do that. So of course this paragraph will never get replaced. These get replaced every time you update the table of contents. So if you were to change this, of course, and then you were to generate it, of course you get the brand new content, but this will always stay the same. This will always be static. So it's useful to have a good title here.